Today we will compare the presidents of two superpowers. Yes, you are correct. United States of America and Russia. Donald Trump versus Vladimir Putin. First, we will compare the background and early life. Donald Trump, born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City, he graduated from the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School with a degree in economics in 1968. Trump joined his father's real estate business and eventually became the president of the Trump Organization. While Vladimir Putin, born on October 7, 1952, in Leningrad, now St. Petersburg, Russia, he graduated from the Leningrad State University with a law degree in 1975. Putin served as a KGB officer for 15 years before entering politics. Comparison of political career, Donald Trump was elected as the 45th President of the United States in 2016 and served until 2021. He was re-elected as the 47th President in 2024. His presidency is marked by controversial policies on immigration, tax reforms, and foreign relations. While Vladimir Putin has been the president of Russia since 1999, with a brief stint as prime minister from 2008 to 2012. His leadership is recognized by centralizing power, military interventions, and efforts to restore Russia's influence on the global stage. Style. Donald Trump, known for his unconventional and business oriented approach, he uses social media extensively to communicate directly with his supporters, often bypassing traditional media channels. His leadership is signified by populist rhetoric and nationalist policies, while Vladimir Putin, known for his strongman image and centralized control over the Russian state. His leadership is strategic and methodical, with a focus on restoring Russia's influence on the global stage. His background in the KGB influences his strategic thinking and long term planning. Comparing the key policies and actions, Donald Trump implemented tax reforms, rolled back environmental regulations, and focused on immigration policies, including building a border wall with Mexico. He faced two impeachments during his first term. Now, the Vladimir Putin centralized power, reformed the electoral system, and expanded Russia's influence through military interventions in Ukraine and Syria. His governance is marked by a blend of military power, economic leverage, and strategic alliance. We compare the relationship with media. Donald Trump uses social media platforms like Twitter to maintain a direct connection with his base. His media strategy is reactive and spontaneous, often leading to controversies. While Vladimir Putin controls state media and uses it to save public perception, his approach to media is calculated and methodical, ensuring that the narrative aligns with his political goals. Compare the personal life. Donald Trump married 3 times and have 5 children. His family is often in the public eye, with his children taking active role in his business and political endeavors. Vladimir Putin, known to keep his personal life private, he has 2 daughters and has been linked to various personal relationships, but details are often kept out of the public domain. Thank you. Both leaders have left a significant impact on their respective countries and the world, each with their unique approach to leadership and governance. Thanks for watching.